Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to save Pinterest videos to gallery without apps. Okay, first open your Pinterest app, then open up any video that you want to save to gallery. Then tap three dots, then tap copy link. After that, open your browser, then go to savepin.app. I leave you the website link in the description or in the pinned comment, okay? Then paste the video link here. Then tap download. Wait a few seconds. Then select the quality that you want, then hit download. And like that you can save Pinterest videos to gallery without apps, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.